So today we're in my cabinet shop and we got this pry leveler bar that we use a lot in all the demos that we use. So this type of bar is to demo floors, cabinets. You can use it for a lot of stuff. And one other thing that I like, it has, if you get close here, it has to pull out the nails. So it has a button on the side that you press and it can give you any degree that you want so you can feel more comfortable. Besides that, it also has a pin that you can remove and you can add any other attachment to use the bar for different stuff. But this is for prying leveler right now to remove plywood, whatever you want. We're gonna use it for other things.
To change the grease too, so that's what I'm talking about.
So we're using the ply leveler bar because a lot of times on these pallet jacks, they have a lot of nails, splinters, so you don't want to touch it with your hands and get the splinters out of your hand. And it's really handy to use one of these bigger ones instead of using a small crowbar.